Chapter 4, Papa Knows Best. Part 2. Okay. Part 2 has ended. Chapter 4. And so, guess who just got? Splash! Whoosh! Spoing! No, young man. Papa's my pop. He's my puppy, remember? Good boy, young man. You where's your focus? Get off of me now! Hi, Papa. Did you escape from jail again? Nope. The governor gave me a pardon. Sweet. And now that I'm a free cat, you get to come and live with me. Isn't that great? Well, isn't it?
No, you're doing this on purpose.
But Papa, what about Dominique? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about them. They have each other. And now we have each other too. Oh. So come on, let's go. Let go of my leg! Look, I appreciated your help while I was in jail. But I'm free now. This is my kid. He needs to be with me, so you have to let him go. You do want to live with me, don't you? Yeah, I guess so. Well, you don't seem happy about it. Dominique, come and live with us? No, they can't. It's just gonna be you and me from now on. We're gonna build cool giant robots and do all kinds of fun stuff together. Can I still play with Dominique, Sarah, and Zuzu? Yeah, you can still play with those guys if you want. Ow. Okay, I'm happy. Hey, Papa, look at those cute flowers. Those aren't flowers, those are weeds. Oh. Hey, Papa, look at the pretty river. That river isn't pretty, it's polluted. Oh. Hey, Papa, look at the twinkling stars. Hey, watch where you're stepping. There's mud everywhere. Oh. Do you know what your problem is? Why, Papa? You've been living with those two knuckleheads for so long that you think the whole world is just rainbows and unicorns and ladybugs. Yeah, ladybugs. And this time you woke up and faced the truth. You need a good dose of reality. Chapter 5: A good dose of reality. Down. So this is the room where we build our robots. And our room is up here. This is my room and this is yours. I'm not sleeping there. I'm sleeping with you. No, you're not. Yes, I am. 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 Boop, boop, boop. Boop. You're sleeping in here and that's final. Okay, chapter 1. No, I'm not. Oh, alright, fine. If you're going to act like that, there's no bedtime for you. I want tacos. But then, I want tacos. Hey, Papa, how come India and how come Dominique can live with us? Because they can't. Because they can't. Why? Because it wouldn't work out. Why? Because they're smart and they're a couple of boneheads. Why? Would you cut that out? Why? Because we're having a serious conversation. Why? I don't know. You started it. Why? Why? Because you don't realize how good you got it. Why? Because you have a papa who loves you. You do? Well, duh. Look, kid, I'm trying to be good to you. I want to give you what I never had. When I was a kid, my papa didn't care about me at all. He took off and left my mom and all alone. I want tacos! I want tacos! Yeah! When I was a kid, my papa didn't care about me at all. He took off and all alone. And I never saw him again. He did? Hang now. Let's find him. Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again. But maybe he's sorry, Papa. Maybe he changed. Look, I know you think everybody's a good guy deep down inside. But that's just not reality. The real world is still is losers than bullies. The real world is just a horrible place. It's mostly misery and selfishness out there. That's reality. I'm sorry, kid. I'm just trying to protect you. Now go to sleep. Good night, Papa. Good night, Dominique. What's the big idea? I thought I told you guys to let go. Hi, fellas. You get back in bed right now. Alright, listen to you two. If we can work something out. What if the kid lives me during the week? And he lives you during the week on the weekends? I mean, we could just, No, wait! Joy over I think this is... Hug. Oh, look at them hugging. Oh, look at them hugging. No, I didn't! Enough! Now get out here before I change my mind. Chapter 6. What is that happened next? Meanwhile, back at Cat Jail. Big Jim was ready to get back for bed. How can we have to carry you, Piggy? Because I'm the brains of the squad. I can't waste my energy on mental tasks like walking. Now buzz off while I work my magic. But how are you gonna do it, Piggy? Are you gonna turn him into a cupcake? No, I'm not turning him into a cupcake. I'm going to hypnotize him, and we can make him do whatever we want. Watch and learn, chumps. You're getting sleepy. Gee, I'm getting sleepy. Your things adjustable. Well, things adjustable. You shall obey our every comment. Hey, I'm gonna buy these weird voices in my head. Hey, Kika. Hey, Kika, I got a command for ya. There's a speck of dirt in your left ear. Get rid of it. Okay. Quick, 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 quick. Bling. Yeah! Yeah! Bonk. Hi, I'm Daryl. Let's be friends. No! The piggy's gone. Let's turn this into a pump. Alright, guys. I'm gonna save this book for part 3. Okay? Hold up. Let me see how many videos. How many. Okay? Hold up. Let me feel. Okay? Okay, guys. Love y'all. Bye.